Fold the paper in the following manner. You will need 2 square pieces of paper to make a box with a lid. Our square was 15 by 15 centimeters. The lid's square sides should be around 8 to 10 millimeters longer than the box. Other than that, the steps are the same. Now that our box is done, you will need to cut up 3 strips of paper to make the rose decoration for the lid. The strip needs to be 25 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. Then you glue them together like so and allow them to dry for a few minutes. In order to make the paper rose, start by 2 angular folds and then 1 backwards as shown. Then roll. After that, all you have to do is fold backwards and roll until it becomes a rose. Now all that is left to do is secure the paper rose in place with glue. If you're having trouble with this, cut out a tiny piece of paper and glue it under the rose as well before you proceed with the next step. Glue the leaves you cut out for the rose onto the lid and glue the rose on top of them. You're almost done. All you need is a gift. We chose to put our Belle's anklet in the box because it matches the theme and it is the perfect gift this Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. We wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Love, EncoreUSA.